Hey everyone, Andrew with KUSA here, giving you a quick video on how to install your Ambidextrous mag release on either your 9 or 100 series platform. I'm going to show on the 9 today, but you'll repeat the same process for the 100 series. First thing we're going to do, show clear, weapon is empty, going to put it back on safe. We'll start by taking the included set screw, inserting it into the hole, getting it pre-threaded by just a couple of turns, just so that the screw is in there. Then we'll take our magazine release. We will fit the slot over the mag catch in the gun with the paddle towards the trigger. Maybe a bit snug to put on some of these, so if you have to use a rubber mallet just to tap it home, no big deal. Then, I'm going to take our Allen key, thread this all the way home, and once we get to the bottom, we'll turn it 1/2 turn. That's all there is to it. You can take your magazine, insert it into the gun, and either side now will allow you to drop the magazine, as well as having a thumb catch to remove the magazine like normal. Thanks very much, and have fun.